Welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is a square and a cube. Okay, so let us talk about a square first. Okay, this is a square. Let me draw a square, proper square. Okay, so this is a square now. Where for square we know that all sides are equal, right? So here suppose, and cube will be like this. 3D structure. Okay, this will give a 3D structure. So let me, before I start with this chapter, I want you a small revision type. For square, suppose, example, if I give a 2 square over here, what you will do is 2 multiplied by 2, your answer will be 4. If I give you all a 3 square, it will be 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Okay. So square means only two numbers, 1, 2. Okay. Then comes the third one, that is 4 square, which is equal to, what you should do is over here 4 multiplied by 4, it will give you 16, right? Let me give you all one more. 5 square is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25. Fifth one will be 6 square, which is equal to 6 6. Your answer will be 36. Okay, so we have is 7 square, which is equal to 7 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 49. Let us do till 10. Okay, so 8 square will be 8 8s are 64. I hope I am not going that fast also, and you will be able to understand. 9 square will be 9 9s are 81. 10 square will be 10 10s are 100. Okay, just an example I gave you all. 2 times you all have to multiply for square. For cube, what you all should do over here is, for cube it will be, suppose if it is 2 cube, how many times 2 you all are going to multiply? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next we have is 3 cube. First one I'll put and keep. I hope you all know what is 1 cube. 3 times if you multiply you will get 1. For square also 2 times if you multiply you will get 1. Okay. So 3, how many times you all should multiply? 3 times for cube. 4 cube means 4. How many times you all have to multiply? 3 times. For 5 cube you will have to multiply 5 times. Okay, you all can even tell me the answers in the comment section. So 6 cube is equal to 3 times 6 you all have to multiply. 7 cube, 7 3 times you all have to multiply. This is a small basic things which you all should know in this chapter before I completely start with solving the problems and all. Some of the problems I have already put in the, I'll start putting one by one. So 8 cube will be, 9 cube is equal to 3 times 9 you all have to multiply over here, okay? And 10 cube means 3 times 10 you will multiply here. So 3 3s are, we got 9. So 9 3s are, your answer will be 27. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are, what will be your answer? 64. Right? 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are, what you will get? 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 11 12 125. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are what you will get? 216, right? 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are what you will get? 352. Just check. 343 it is. 353, sorry. 343 it was, right? Yeah, 343. 343. Do the correction. 8 8s are 64. 64 multiplied by 8, you will get 512. 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 729. Okay, and 10 cube will be 1000. Okay. So what will be root of, now one more under square it will be, and this is cube, right? So let me give you all one basic part. Now what is root of 4? See, all can see over here, root of 4 will be a 2. See, if you give the square here, it will become square root. So root of 4 will be 2 then. Then root of 9 will be here, root of 9 will be 3. Then root of 16 will be 4. Root of 25 will be 5. Root of 36 will be 6. Root of 49 will be 7. Root of 64 will be 8. Okay, under cube it will be what? Cube root of 8 will be what? Cube root of 8 will be a 2, right? Then cube root of 27 will be 3. Then we have a cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 will be what here? 4. Then cube root of 125. Then cube root of 216. Cube root of 343. And cube root of 512. So cube root of 125 will be 5. Cube root of this will be 6. Cube root of this number will be 7. And cube root of 512 will be 8. Okay. So I hope you all have understood a small bit idea you might have got from this chapter. So that this is the difference between the square and a cube. Okay, which all should know. Okay, what is the difference between cube, what is a square, what is a cube. So there shouldn't be any confusion. So basically, in square, let me give you all an example. Square means, suppose 2 square will be 4. Suppose if I write 2 is equal to, give this square root here. For cube it will be, suppose 2 cube will be 8. Okay. Suppose if I give a cube root for this, it will become 2. Okay. So I hope you all have understood the difference between square and a cube. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries related to this topic, you all can comment below. If you like my video, give me a hype button, and thanks for watching and all the best for exam. Share with your classmates and friends. Okay. So if you all have any doubts related to square again or something, you all can comment below. Okay.